In this video, I will show you how to master a new language using the Pingo AI app. This incredible tool uses artificial intelligence to help you speak fluently through real conversations. To get started, download the app and select the language you want to learn from the extensive list provided. Once you enter the main dashboard, you will see various scenarios like ordering coffee or checking into a hotel. Pick a topic that interests you and tap on it to begin your first session. Unlike traditional apps that focus on boring flashcards, Pingo allows you to speak directly to an AI tutor. When the AI speaks, listen closely to the pronunciation and then press the microphone icon to respond in your target language. If you get stuck or do not know what to say, you can tap the hint button to see a translation or get a suggested response. This feature ensures you never feel lost during the practice. As you continue talking, the app provides instant feedback on your grammar and accent in a supportive way. Make sure to review your progress at the end of every chat to see which areas need more work. Consistency is the secret to success, so try to spend 10 minutes every day engaging with different characters in the app. By practicing these realistic dialogues, you will build the confidence needed for real-world interactions. It is like having a private tutor in your pocket at all times. Start your journey today and enjoy learning.